Zebra Insurance, a leading insurance comparison platform, has continued to innovate in 2025, offering users an efficient way to compare and purchase insurance policies tailored to their needs. Known as the Kayak for Insurance, Zebra simplifies the process of finding the best coverage at the most competitive rates. Here's a detailed review of its features, advantages, and potential drawbacks. Main features: comprehensive comparison tool. Zebra allows users to compare insurance policies for auto, home, renters, and more from top providers, presenting detailed side-by-side comparisons. Personalized recommendations. By analyzing your personal data and needs, Zebra delivers customized policy options that align with your budget and coverage preferences. Real-time quotes. Get instant, accurate quotes without needing to visit multiple providers, saving you time and effort. Transparent pricing. Zebra highlights all fees and costs up front, ensuring no hidden surprises when purchasing a policy. User-friendly interface. The platform is intuitive and easy to navigate, with filters that help narrow down choices by coverage type, provider ratings, and price. Advantages: time-saving, streamlines the process of comparing and buying insurance. Wide coverage options, access to numerous providers and types of insurance policies. Personalization, tailored recommendations help users find the best fit for their unique needs. Transparency, clear, upfront pricing builds trust and confidence. Disadvantages: limited provider availability. While extensive, the provider network may not include smaller regional insurers. Dependent on input data, personalized results rely on accurate user data, which may require careful entry. No direct claims handling. Zebra connects you with insurers but doesn't assist in claims processing or management. Conclusion: Zebra Insurance in 2025 remains an excellent platform for those looking to simplify the process of finding and comparing insurance policies. Its user-friendly design, real-time quotes, and personalized recommendations make it a standout choice for busy individuals or those new to purchasing insurance. However, users should ensure accurate data input and be aware of potential gaps in provider networks. If you're searching for a fast, transparent, and efficient way to compare insurance policies, Zebra Insurance is worth considering.